Motivating your active lifestyle and earn crypto by virtual for free. Join us in easy mode. You don't have to do anything else, just carrying your smartphone with you. After registering virtual, simply connect virtual with Apple Health or Google Fit to track your steps automatically. That's all, so let's go! Most importantly, once you finish walking, don't forget to daily check in virtual to complete the easy mode and claim your rewards in your wallet. Claim fee will decrease 5% per day, so we recommend you to claim your reward after day 7 in order to avoid the transaction fees. The reward you stand to gain will be shared in the reward pool of 4,500 virtual coins with all users every day. Encourage yourself to take a little walk and receive virtual coins constantly. If you want to learn more about easy mode, please check out on the description box down below and stay tuned for the next video about competition mode. And that's all for today. Join us with the Couple Challenge. Every 300,000 steps you take, you get into drawing a prize from luxury banks. Find out more in the description box down below, so check it out.